If you've ever wondered how to find the perfect Telegram group to reach your ideal audience, whether you're building a community, marketing a product, or just searching for like-minded people, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have 5 insider strategies for uncovering those valuable and engaged Telegram groups that most people miss. Ready to upgrade your group finding game? Let's get started. First up, let's cover a crucial but often overlooked approach, using specific keyword searches inside the Telegram app itself. Most folks just type broad terms like tech or business, and what happens? You get lost in a flood of massive, unfocused groups that aren't really what you're looking for. Instead, try searching with much more targeted keywords, for example, web development, SaaS marketing, or Python programming. The search bar will pull up public groups that fit that exact phrase, not just random stuff with a single vague keyword. And here's a pro tip: add the word chat to your search, like startups chat. This often brings up even more results, especially discussion-based groups. Always glance at the member counts and group activity levels that Telegram shows right away. A group with a healthy number of active users is more likely to give you the conversations and connections you're actually looking for. Our next secret is to branch outside of Telegram with public group directories and analytics platforms. Sites like TGStat, Combat, or Telegram Groups.com act as huge libraries of groups sorted by category, language, and topic. Let's say you're searching for an e-commerce group in Spanish or a crypto investing group with strong engagement. These sites let you filter for exactly what you want. Many directories now also show you statistics like post frequency and engagement rates, making it easy to spot groups that are alive and thriving versus those filled with spam or bots. Spend a few minutes poking around. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can narrow down to high-quality groups. Remember, just because a group is big doesn't mean it's active or well-moderated, so these analytics really help. But what about those elusive, private Telegram groups you can't find through in-app search? This brings us to the third trick: leveraging other social media platforms and niche forums for invite links. There's a huge world of invite-only Telegram groups out there that never show up inside Telegram's own search results. Try searching your niche Telegram group on Google, Reddit, LinkedIn, or even Facebook. You'll often find posts where community members share fresh invite links to their groups, especially in threads dedicated to sharing resources. For example, a quick search on Reddit for marketing Telegram group can instantly turn up several communities you'd never stumble across otherwise. These invite-only groups tend to have committed members and less spam, so don't skip this step. Fourth, let's talk about local targeting, which is perfect for businesses or anyone wanting to network in their area. Telegram People Nearby feature is your go-to tool for this. On your mobile device, open the side menu or Contacts on iOS and select People Nearby. You'll see a list of local groups and individuals in your vicinity. This is surprisingly useful for finding city-specific communities, local buy-sell groups, or even neighborhood events. If your goals involve connecting with people physically close to you, say you run a local cafe or you're looking for study sessions in your city, this feature helps you cut through the noise of global groups and go straight to real, nearby users. Lastly, a powerful strategy is to analyze your competitors or influencers in your space. If you know a brand, influencer, or business in your niche with a Telegram presence, check out their channels or groups. Very often, they'll list links to other related groups right in their description or pinned messages. Even better, scroll to the bottom and see if there's a similar channels suggestion. This can lead you down a rabbit hole to other quality groups with aligned audiences. Think of it like checking out the Customers Also Bought section when you're shopping online. It's a shortcut to finding more of exactly what you need. And there you have it, 5 secret ways to discover the right Telegram groups, tailored to your niche and goals. If you found this video helpful, tap the like button and let me know your questions in the comments below. For more practical tutorials like this, remember to subscribe so you never miss a fresh strategy. Thanks for watching and good luck finding your best Telegram community.